Alright, how you guys doing today? I've been getting a couple questions on what it is that these bushings do. So first, we're going to look at the trigger. So, you'll notice when you take the lock and you put it onto here, as this trigger comes in, watch right here, watch this space. See how that moves? Alright, so what our bushing does, our bushing takes that space, and it removes it. There's less space there. So normal operation, watch this gap right here. So in normal operation, this begins to pull that out, and that gap is what we're eliminating by putting that bushing in there. So like right there is where it breaks. It can hold, and then it breaks. Okay. So by putting that bushing in there, see how that breaks a lot sooner? So what we're doing is it wants to sit right here. And that bushing is holding it out further on that edge so that you don't have to pull it as far before it breaks. If you can hold it here, you're a lot more close to the edge than if you have to hold it all the way in here. So instead of pulling against all of that, you put that bushing in there, and it already takes out, let's see, the edge of that pin ends up that much space there. And so it takes out that much space so that you just have to travel that much further instead of that much further. If you're a super gunsmithy, you could probably fix this right here. You could shave a little bit of that off. But there's a $400 trigger. We better put a bushing on there than to shave that. Okay, so let's see if we can get a clear representation of this. First, we are clear. Okay. Now we'll do the demonstration with the binary trigger, or with the bushing.